Hello, welcome to the first video of this new channel. What we're going to be doing is campervan conversions. I have recently bought a Ford Transit long wheelbase 350 and I've been building this for 3 weeks. The reason I'm starting the channel now is because I've moved into a new unit with a lot more space. I can get the van inside of this one, so I thought, why not? Let's get some videos made, let other people follow along. Maybe learn something, maybe not, don't know, but I thought, why not? So what I'll do now is I will show you the video I took of the old unit, and then I will show you the van and show you around the new unit, which we have just moved into 2 days ago. But it's all set up now and it's ready to start work, and then I can give you a few more plans of what the future plans are going to be. So I'll show you the other video now and I'll get back to you after that. So this is the shop I'm working out of at the minute. Limited on height, as you can see. Got one bench across here, absolutely cluttered. In the middle here, got an 8x4 sheet, which gives you a good idea of the space that I'm working with. Got a little table there that I've been trying to paint on, but the issue I'm having with it being such a tight space is getting covered in dust. At the back over here is just being used for storage. Believe it or not, there is a Mark II Golf and a Land Rover in there. Looking round towards the front, this is the front bit towards where the shutter is, and I'm having to use this area as well to set up the table saw for cutting. But as you can see, this is predominantly a builder's yard, and that there is the space that I'm working out of at the minute, which isn't ideal. You can see I've got a couple of drawer boxes on there ready to be fitted, and that there is the unit that's going to be going on the back on the driver's side, which is going to hold the gas bottle at the end, and then the water pump is going to go into that section, but I can go through that more later. So this here, sorry if the camera is a bit flashy around, I will get used to it. This here is what I'm kind of working with at the minute until we get the new unit. Right, so here we are, here's the van. It's a long wheelbase high top Ford Transit. It's in good condition, bodywork's good on it. Bit tight to the front there, which is the way I wanted it. I'll show you inside now. I have started set up a bit of a light just because there's no cameras, no internal lights in at the minute. So as you come in, going to be straight ahead to where the shower's going to be. Bit kitchen area, through my boilers, and going to be in underneath the sink. We're going to have the fridge set in the back here into where is going to be the bed, and we've got a bench seat along here, a couple of scraps of timber on here, inserts at the sides which I've built in for the two, like for to extend the length of the bed. But what I'll do is, I haven't got this board on yet. I've still got a couple of wires to run in, which we can go through when I do them. But this is going to be full unit of drawers up there. It's going to be a big drawer at the bottom of that section, and then a cupboard on top, and then the cupboard on top of the truma as well. So I'll take you around the back and show you what we've done in there. So in the back of the van, we've got this unit built here. It's been been sprayed once. It needs another coat on it, but this is going to be the gas locker in here. The water pump and regulator is going to be in there, accumulator, sorry, and they're going to have doors on. Then obviously that's the back of the fridge. This side is going to be for all the electrics in there, which is going to be a bit of a head scratcher for us as I'm a joiner, but I'm sure we'll get there. And what I've done is I've grooved the walls along the top to form a cladding, but it's just all the lightweight furniture ply, and that side's the same, and it'll continue on this top panel when we do it. It's got the max air fan in, and in the shower room it's got the max dome in with the LED light already fitted. So that's the back of the van. It has 78,000 miles on it. I'll show you the fan there. That's the max dome up the top. It's had the swivel base fitted onto the double front seat. So, but that's already been done. I'll go through that on the next van. So that is the van. It's got the 240 hook up there, and I've got windows to fit in the sliding door and the 2 rear doors. So as for the workshop, this is the space I've got to work in now. Still got a few bits to do, but I've got it generally set up. I need to build a proper bench and build a proper stand for the table saw, because it's just a cheap saw, but what the stand had come with was absolute rubbish. There's the dog lurking. Should be looking for somewhere to lie down as usual. In this room, turned into a storage room and a bit of a desk, most importantly the kettle. And this other room that's here, light isn't working in here at the minute, but what we're going to do is we're going to turn this into like a small paint room for us to keep the dust down on it. But as you can see, the size of the unit is massively different to what I did have. This wall here is a big plain boring wall. I'm going to get myself a nice banner to put up on there. If anybody's got any ideas how to kind of break this wall up a little bit, would be more than welcome. And same with this wall really, to be fair. It's just plain and boring. But that's the shop we're working in. Right, now for future plans, this van is basically being built on nights and weekends at the minute because I've still got a full-time job and need to keep the money coming in, as I've got bills to pay, everything like that, cost of living. The company I work for, they totally understand, and it was their unit I was using the last time. It just wasn't big enough. I could have kept using it. I've still got 2 of my other projects there at the minute, which is a 85 Land Rover and a 90 Mark II Golf, which hopefully in future videos you might see a little bit of work being done on as well. But as for now, the main plans are to finish this van, put it up for sale, sell it, get another van, build the business up that way, and hopefully one day have some vans to hire out, possibly get customers' vans in as well. But for now it's going to mainly be buying to sell, build to sell, and you can follow along, just see all the progress, see how things go, and hopefully keep the videos coming. Hopefully I'll get a bit better at them because it's a bit at the minute, but that can only progress as I'm not used to talking to a camera. So if you like this video, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and there'll be a video out every Sunday morning, and we can just see how the van goes. So as for this week, Thank you, and you'll see us again next week and see what we've got done over the last week. Right, thank you and goodbye.